Alright, we got a Ford F-150. I believe this is a 2011, I believe. Gotta check this out. Customer says it's leaking, and the truth is, it is. This is 6-speed. Case connector is wet. They like to leak out of there. That's that part. Let's see here. That's wet there. Alright. That's not the only thing. And it's not really dripping. Let me get back to see it probably better right here. But also, it's a little wetness right here. There's wet. Right there. That boat here is bigger than these boats here. So somebody put a different boat, and they got nice good silicone up here. But the problem is, whoever put this boat in, where is that boat? They cracked the case right there. That is a crack. Not so sure if by putting something on here if it will stop the leak. Not sure, but that is cracked, and maybe they put a bigger boat here at one time because they hit up here, but that's cracked. Now this was the dealer. It would just say the whole transmission. Okay, again, if this was the dealer, they would probably say that is, they would change the whole transmission because of that crack. They wouldn't want to be trying to be liable and fixing it. But the main leak is what he sees is coming from this engine. So this is an engine oil leak right here. It's leaking, coming down here. So this is the bulk of its leaking. This is what he saw leaking more so. So I guess this is what he has to take care of. The engine oil pan is leaking down there also. So this is what he would have to get fixed. All right.